Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best tower rolling slim storage cart on the market. The YAMAZAKI Home Tower Rolling Slim Storage Cart with handle in sleek black. If you're looking for a stylish and practical way to organize your space, this slim storage cart could be exactly what you need. Designed with a modern and minimalist aesthetic inspired by Japanese simplicity, it features a tall and narrow profile that fits perfectly into tight spaces such as narrow kitchen corners, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or even your home office. Its compact dimensions, measuring just 18.7 inches deep, 5.1 inches wide, and 31.7 inches tall, make it an excellent space-saving solution without compromising storage capacity. This cart comes fully assembled, so you can start using it right out of the box. The frame is constructed from durable metal steel, ensuring long-lasting strength and stability, while its black finish adds a touch of elegance to any room. The cart includes 3 tiers of shelving along with a top board, providing 4 surfaces to neatly store your essentials. Whether it's spices, oils, toiletries, or office supplies, this unit keeps your items visible and easily accessible thanks to its open design. Mobility is one of its key features. Equipped with 2 swivel casters and 2 rigid casters, this cart glides smoothly on most floor surfaces. The handle on the side makes pulling it out or sliding it back into tight spots effortless. The rigid casters are designed to be installed at the back, helping the cart roll straight and avoid wobbling, giving you full control when moving it around. When it comes to weight capacity, the cart can hold up to 26.6 pounds in total. The bottom shelf supports the heaviest items with a 13.2 pound capacity. The middle shelf can hold 6.6 pounds, the top shelf 4.4 pounds, and the top board up to 2.2 pounds. This tiered weight distribution helps maintain stability and ensures you can store a variety of items without worrying about tipping. While the cart is lightweight at just under 9 pounds, it is recommended to place it against a wall or between larger objects to prevent any toppling, especially when fully loaded. The slim design makes it ideal for tight spaces but less suited for high traffic areas where it could get bumped around. The YAMAZAKI Home Tower Rolling Slim Storage Cart embodies a perfect blend of functionality and style. Its modern design, easy maneuverability, and practical shelving make it a versatile organizer that can declutter and beautify any room. Whether you want to maximize kitchen storage, keep bathroom essentials handy, or organize your workspace, this cart offers a thoughtful solution inspired by life in Japan. If you're interested in a sleek, durable, and space-efficient storage option, the YAMAZAKI Tower Rolling Slim Storage Cart is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.